We are all about farmhouse decor today. Look at how beautiful all this is. Our DIY expert, Vida Urbonas, is here to show us how to add some simple and easy fall farmhouse touches to your home.
Yes.
I absolutely love this. I love lanterns,
Yes.
and we'll get to that in a minute.
Lanterns are great.
I do know that pumpkins in black and white are kind of a big thing right now.
And this morning I got an alert from Pinterest that said what's trending: pumpkins, decorating pumpkins, and farmhouse decor.
Perfect.
And so we were kind of ahead of the game. We came up with this plan last week with Risa. Farmhouse decor with pumpkins. So I wanted to come up with a really easy way where you can have these beautiful looks of pumpkin and you can bedazzle it.
Love it.
And it requires stickers or glue
favorite.
guns.
My favorite tool in the house, the glue gun.
Okay, so I have some video I want to show you real quick how you can make this at home. You can go several ways. You can go and buy these pumpkins. Those were like $10 that I got at the craft store. You get some jewels. You can get these as well, and you can spray paint these. Just take a little painter's tape, wrap it around, the top, and then you're going to go and you're going to take your spray paint either in black or white. I even bought some at the dollar store too. There you go. Just put that on and just keep doing it till it's fully covered. Let it dry. Then of course you'll take that tape off. Then you get your jewels. You get that at the craft store. Some come already pre-sticky, like this one right there, the ones with the bows. Aren't those cute?
Those are adorable.
I know. And then just start getting creative. I used a glue gun and started adding the other ones all around the pumpkin right there, and just kind of created a jewel kind of a feel to all of that as well. And then I just, with the black one, I did a different, you can see behind it, kind of a little different sticky decor. And that's it. You can do it with real pumpkins too, but when it's this beautiful.
These are these foam pumpkins, which are so great because you can do so. And then next year, if it's pink and white, you can stain them pink, paint them pink.
You can
all right, so we're going to use our glue gun. We're going to go ahead and assemble.
I'm going to have you assemble a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to have you. You want to try?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, it's getting a little hot, so I don't want you getting hurt. So let me do the first one.
Thank you, Mom. I appreciate it.
Of course. Take care of you.
I know.
And then you go from there.
Very
and
fun.
The thing about the glue gun is you get these like little strings. Just pull them off afterwards.
Oh, I know. It's so easy.
Yeah.
I love the glue gun.
Also, got a Sharpie for the white ones. And see what I did on this one right here. I got a gold Sharpie. That's another trend. So this is almost a craft project you can do with the kids.
That's great.
Family, friends. You can have like little wine parties with your girlfriends and make pumpkins.
I love that.
And then you have this beautiful thing for the mantle or for your kitchen, or you were showing that beautiful farm decor table earlier today, and you can put it on there, and there's your farm decor.
Isn't that neat?
Yes.
Well, it's so simple, and the things you have in your house with these, the markers and the glue gun, what have you. All right, let's talk about lanterns, because I have so many lanterns in my house. Absolutely love them.
Love them.
But this is a fun time of year to kind of change it up inside, not always putting a candle, but maybe more of a fall flair.
We're talking about super simple. So I've got these lanterns. You can get them at any craft store, and I always try to get them on sale. Always get your coupons. Search the store. Get your little fairy lights. These are having a little difficulty.
Lights.
You wrap them as you start adding your pine cones, and you can go pick up your pine cones out in your yard.
Yeah, this one's being a little funny.
You can go hit the neighborhood. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, hit the neighborhood because they're falling from the trees now.
And then over here, I'm going to grab this one right over here. And I'm going to like glue this farm. Do you like my farmhouse sign?
I love that.
Of course, I got it on clearance.
We have just a couple seconds left.
All right. You just start stacking.
Some color.
And that's it.
And look at the turquoise and kind of the rustic look of that lantern, and then you've added that fall flair.
You can add real leaves too. So.
Beautiful. And you can set these together or apart and have them in different rooms. Always great ideas. Where can we get all of your great information?
You can look. I'm posting everything on my YouTube channel, The Parenting Channel, all one word. And then I have the website, cookcraftkids.com. But I'm really more up to date usually on YouTube. I get it right away on there. So this will be posted on there later today if you want to follow.
And I'll remind everybody in a minute. Thank you, Vida. So it's a great weekend to deck the halls with everything fall. Find all of Vida Urbonas' DIY experts by subscribing to her YouTube channel. She mentioned the Parenting Channel. You can also check her out on her website at cookcraftkids.com. Easy to find, great information.